winch kit to mount anywhere, any hitch, and it does not take too much current. At 24 volts it only took under 20 amps.
It's been so long I didn't see you online. You changed your life and made it really funny. I can't stop thinking about the since last night. Do you feel the same, feel the same?
You can see here on the gauge it reads under 20 amps on regular load.
Like we could be so tired. We can fix it's gonna be alright. Do you feel me, baby? Look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to finding the one.
You can see you can lift the front end if you use a pulley to distribute the load. It's easy to change the tire. It's something that you need the winch for. Sometimes it makes it really easy to lift one side just to take the tire off and change it if you need it.
Yeah, we were kids, baby, the time flew by. I mean, we didn't really had a fight.
Easy to mount the winch for transport. And the full bracket, it's made from S355. It was full tested. It's really easy and compact.
I got a feeling we will be alright.
You can just plug it into a NATO plug. You can use different plugs if you like. The plate only weighs 9 kilos.